Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to safely eject your USB flash drive from your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So let's say, for instance, you connected your USB flash drive and you'd like to safely eject it from your Redmi Note 14. All you have to do is simply swipe down from the top left corner to access the notification panel. And then from here, you should see this option. All you have to do is simply tap on the arrow that appears and then simply tap on eject. And that will safely unmount that particular USB flash drive from your Redmi Note 14. Now, in case you don't see this notification, or let's say, for instance, you don't see that notification on your notification panel, you can simply unmount it from the settings. So all you have to do is simply tap on the setting option. And then within the settings, simply select About Phone, tap on that, and then select Storage. And then from here, all you have to do is simply scroll down until you find this option. And then if you have connected your USB flash drive, you should see this option, Unmount USB flash drive. All you have to do is simply tap on that. And now you can safely eject your USB flash drive from the Redmi Note 14. So that's basically it on how to unmount, or rather to safely eject your USB flash drive from the Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.